Michelle, and I'm my doctorate in physical therapy, and I'm a personal trainer and a yoga teacher. And today I'm going to teach you 3 yoga poses that will help to prevent low back pain. So today I have Dennis here with me, and he's going to do the exercises with me. So have you ever heard of anybody sneezing and blowing out their back? Well, let's not let that be you. So part of the problem is not the sneeze, it is the person not having the mobility in their back, not having the strength, and not knowing how to activate the right muscles when they go to pick something up. So let's learn some exercises to help with that. So first, come into tabletop position. So this is just where you're on your hands and your knees, and your wrists are right under your shoulders. So we want our back flat. We don't want it arched, and we don't want it rounded. Good. From here, go ahead and lift that left arm up by your ear, and then that right leg back and straight. Good, so bringing that belly button into your spine and finding that balance. Go ahead and bring that arm and leg down. Bring the right arm up and the left leg back. Good, keeping that belly button up, back nice and flat. And bring that down. And just go ahead and keep switching sides here. So as we're doing this, we are working on the strength in our back, but we're also working on how to control our muscles and how to control our core while our arms are moving. We'll go ahead and do one more on each side. Good, that belly button in. Make sure that you keep breathing. Good. And go ahead and bring that hand and arm down. And from here, we'll go ahead and lay on your belly. So bring your hands right underneath your shoulders, and you can watch me, but when you do the exercise, you want to be looking at the mat. So go ahead and push through your hands, lifting your head and chest up, then bring your hands up off the mat, and bring your legs. So we're in locust pose. Good. So here, it's a big back strengthener, and you don't have to arch your back or lift up super high. We're just activating all those muscles. And go ahead and release. Good. Go ahead and lift everything up again. So head, arms, chest, legs. Good. And release. And go ahead, do one more, lifting everything up. Good. And go ahead and release. So this is one that you can definitely do more reps with, but you want to listen to your body and not push yourself. So you don't want to feel pain, but you definitely want to feel those muscles working. And from here, come back to a child's pose. So you're going to be sitting on your knees. If this is uncomfortable, you can put a pillow right here between your legs and your feet. And you're going to walk your hands out towards the top of your mat. And you can bring your forehead down onto the mat. And you can have your arms just relaxing, or the arms can be active, walking those fingertips towards the top of the mat. So this gives us that range of motion in our back, really stretching it out. Good, and just take a nice deep breath here, and notice on that exhale if you can just release a little bit more into that stretch. Good, and go ahead and walk those hands up. So those were just 3 basic exercises to get you started. So one, that you're building strength, you're building flexibility, and you're also learning how to activate muscles so that when you go to do things in your daily life, that you have that strength, you have that mobility so that you don't hurt your back when you're sneezing or picking up a little tissue off the ground.